Hi, I'm Olivia Barnes, YMP at Jackson and Spalton.
Hi, I'm Swapnil Danode, HOT at Jackson Fulton.
Hi, I am Kumar Aders, HOT at Jackson Fulton.
Hi, I'm Nitesh D'Souza and I am a YMP at Jackson Fulton.
Hello, my name is Shubham Gandhi. I am a YMP at Jackson Fulton.
YMP means a Young Manager Program, which is basically a 2 years program where we are exposed to all the operational department, which helps us to build our skills and managerial abilities.
Which makes you understand the theoretical as well as the practical knowledge, how to deal with the guest, and how to build the confidence in yourself.
Young Managers program not only help one to develop skills and knowledge but helps to identify one's potential. It also helps to polish the hidden talent of a particular person and make them get ready for the challenges which will come in futures. It encourages one to build an attitude of entrepreneurship.
We are even given mentors in this two years management training program who always are there to guide us in our professional and personal issues. They mold us to be a better manager and give solutions to our problems. They were always there to guide us in all these 2 years whenever we needed them.
The field trip organized by Jackson aims to help create a better understanding of various food and beverages which is offered to our guests.
Now the best part about this program is the buy project, which means build your own experience, where we have to stay at our competitor hotels as a guest so that we understand how the guest feels. We try to look at things from the guest point of view so that we understand what he or she wants. We study on the various services given by them, which we could implement them in our organization to improve the guest satisfaction.
Foreign language training, a part of classroom training, help us to build a confidence in ourselves when we communicate with our foreign client.
During my 2 years program, I had to work on a project called MBI, which is My Big Idea, which will help to develop in the organization. When you have an idea and want to implement it, which might help in guest satisfaction or growth of organization, when you present the idea and gets approved by the management, you get all the support from the management to implement the idea, financial support or all the basic supports that you need. It has helped me in being more confident and creative and taking initiative.
In my 2 years at Jackson Inns, I have learned a lot. My 2 years have been a great inspirational journey. The journey of turning me from zero to hero. Jokes apart, each movement has instilled in me a confidence to face all situations at workplace and personal with sheer determination to win. The training session kept on building my knowledge and practical exposures helped me to improve my skills.
2 years of HOT program helped me grow as an individual and gain the knowledge from the scratch. And the best part, I was part of a pre-opening team where I learned not only corporate restaurant but also the various technicalities to start a restaurant. The cross-exposure training helped me to understand the operations in allied departments. It has made me more creative and innovative.
It has been a wonderful experience, like how to deal with people and in such a remote place, how to manage your personal and professional life. It has given us an opportunity to work in different departments and know about how the departments coordinate with each other. The various field trips and projects has given us an idea about how to manage things and take initiatives in taking decisions.
This 2 years of YMP program has helped me bring out my abilities, potential and the best out of me. I learned about the people management, organizing work in a right way and the operations of department in depth. This program also taught me to do multitasking where I could handle a lot of different work at the same time. Pressure handling, patience, even helped me in developing my personality.
I got an opportunity to work from the inception. In a pre-opening hotel, with the work, we also learned about the professionalism which comes with the work, the responsibilities to be taken care of, which made us a better person altogether. We also learned people management with the time where we work in various departments. Jackson Inns Fulton has also gave us an opportunity to show our potential in various departments.
Jackson Inns as an organization is a hotel with innovative ideas and a family to work with. This place not only gives comfort to the guest but also believes in creating a joyful work environment for its employees. Caring and happiness forms an integral part of its belief. Each and every employee is nurtured and taken care as a family member. I would call Jackson Inns a beautiful family rather than an organization.
The management is always there to guide you not only in your professional but also the extracurricular activities, to not only focus on work life but also the personal life, how an employee can manage both his professional and personal life.
Jackson Inn as an organization is very supportive. It believes that its employees are its core strength. The atmosphere at workplace is fun-filled. The entire team from the GM to the security guard is very supportive.
The workplace has a friendly environment. The team here has a very innovative approach. The team is supportive and together believes in creating unforgettable memories. The Jackson Karma initiatives like teaching the school children has helped me to recognize the human qualities in me.
Jackson Inns for me is diversity, where people from different culture, economical background comes together under one roof to create happy experience for guests. At Jackson, we believe in learning in a very happy way and a fun-filled way. Clubs at Jackson Inns Fulton encourage the employee to showcase their talent through various mediums, let it be dance, music, sports, or anything else, thereby creating a feeling of bonding among everyone is there.
It's very difficult to define Jackson Inns in one word. Jackson Inns can be defined as innovative.
If I have to describe Jackson Inns in one word, inspiring.
Jackson Inn for me in one word will be warm-hearted.
For me, Jackson is an institution.
Jackson to me in one word is a big family.